Hi friends, let me show you this new aluminum folding walker that I received for reviewing purposes. Of course, it is suggested for people who have some difficulties with walking. This walker will help you walk more comfortably. Comes ready to assemble. Okay. You get the user manual. Okay. You can adjust the width of it depending on your size. You have 8 different heights, so you can adjust it to your personal preference. So when you are ready to go, you can even use it to help yourself to get up and then walk wherever you want to go or wherever you need to go more comfortable, more easily, okay? And when you are ready to put it away, it's so easy. You just have to fold these 2 handles and fold it back. This way, you can put it in your car or in a closet or wherever you want to store it easily. Then unfold it again and use it again. Easy to use. If you're someone you know needs a walker like this is a great option. Thank you.